He stole my food, so I made him fear every bite. Living with roommates sounds fun. Until one of them treats your fridge like an all-you-can-eat buffet they didn't pay for. That was Josh. It started small. A missing slice of pizza here, half my milk gone, then my expensive snacks, always mysteriously disappearing. He denied everything, even when the evidence was basically covered in his fingerprints. So I got creative. I bought a box of donuts, his favorite, and filled the cream centers with mayo. Not a little. I'm talking full sabotage. Then I left them on the counter. I even labeled them not yours, just to make it obvious. An hour later, I hear the box open and pure chaos. Gagging, coughing, furious footsteps. Josh never touched my food again. And for the rest of the year, anytime he saw me baking, he looked genuinely terrified. Turns out stealing snacks comes with consequences.